Oh, that's not there. Guys, today I'm gonna work on some level designing. Already started, so this is gonna be the hangar bay, and got a few other things I'm gonna work on today. Well, for the level, for like a spaceship, on a mining hub, a shipyard, research lab. This is where you would buy upgrades, and then you have the living quarters where you finish for the day and go sleep or whatever. And then make sure my okay. I just want to make sure my audio is right. I didn't check. Oh well. And mission control to get the next mission for the day, or someone else want to give you a mission that some separate board maybe. Yeah, so I'm just gonna like do a rough draft of like all these binary. I did it maybe a year ago, but I got rid of those. And com center. I've no idea what you're gonna be doing here, but just a part of a station and the hangar bay that I started. Then observation deck as well. So let me explain what's going on here. So this is where your ships are gonna land. This area. I don't want the ships to be too big, but I could drag a ship in just to, for example. Let's drag in the Reaver. Just the more I use this ship, the more I feel like I want to remodel it. I don't know why. So let's go here. Hey, fair enough. What's up? How's it going? Put on some music. Bit quiet in here. Music. Alright. This one's good. Let me see if I can. That loud or is fine? Who else is here heading on? Let's go. And that's even loud for me. Hold on. Alright. Turn that down a bit. I barely hear myself talking. Alright. So, yeah, so this is gonna be an elevator. Like a freight elevator. Whenever you like mine stuff and bring them in, you have to actually bring them up the elevator, and then maybe I have the refinery on top or somewhere in the back there, but on the same level. They just push it over to it. But the thing is, I want this to be modular, so this whole piece is gonna be like one area, and then I have to make sure any other piece that connects to it as open. Let me finish that part up. So let's go to this guy. I'm gonna bring it back a little, not that one. Alright, so this guy. Yeah, thanks. Dude, I really like that they changed this scaling system now, so I could easily like model out levels now. Or before, this would scale both sides. It would be really annoying to work with. I could like match up pieces and all that. Grab this, just drag them out like that. Piece as well. And bring this all the way up. I'm gonna actually code an elevator right here. Just to test. Where is that top piece? And I could duplicate this bit down here. Copy D. Yep. Alright, that's a bit too low. Looks slow to me. Go up a bit. That survival game. I don't know. It's somewhere. I haven't worked on it in a while. Been trying to get back to this. I still have it. Where would I open it up now? Let's see. Godot 4. Were you the one that came up with the name Forest of Dreams? I still have it. I haven't worked on it in a while. Where is it? Here somewhere. Here it is. Oh, just laggy. Loading. Oh. What is going on? Oh, okay. Yeah, I was messing around with a bit, but that took a while to load. Eesh. So I was messing with the new holes thing from the update for the terrain. Added holes to it so now I could make caves and stuff like that. Made this whole thing I was messing with. I was just trying to test out what do you call it? Oops, so this is on the water. But I don't wanna go on like hanging rocks. That's all procedural that I tried out. So. But no, not really actually. It's actually in Blender. And the fishes are still over here. Somewhere. Where's all my grass? Don't know what's this gun. Here, what? Why is it so foggy? Okay, here they are, but something's missing here. Where's my water? Huh. Little fishy. Something's wrong with my water though. My water is missing. Hold on. Oh, I think I messed with it. That's why. The ocean, I think I cut off the water. I was trying to get rid of the effect. Let me turn that fog down. It's driving me crazy. Just hide it. I guess that doesn't work. Where is it? Oh, I think it's on the environment itself. Fog. Off. Oh. There's my grass. What is this? That's weird. That was weird. Oh, that's because I moved it. It is. So now it's not actually below water level anymore. That's when I was messing with this guy over here. Whole cave system I'm in. Okay. Yeah, so that's pretty much all I did so far. And the UI, I don't think I did any UI yet. Hold on, let me double check. I'll come back to it though, cause I wanted to make this for a while though. Survival game. Yep, there it is. UI is still there. Not working that well, but oh, I mean to change this whole UI too. A new system. I'm using Godot's built-in UI now. Drag and drop. I mean, that would be perfect for you. You know what I could do? Could make these top ones be like shortcuts. So as long as you put something in there, you could use 1 to what 6? Yeah, 1 to 6 to open them up. To use them, I mean. Knife. If I could swap these two, yep, that still works. And I could still split this one. Yeah. You want me to send it to you if you want it? Send you the whole project. Cause I don't mind. But in its current state, I know it. Alright. Oh yeah, and I was working on this thing here. I need to figure out a better way to do fire. Because if I go on top, it looks stupid. But, and alright, let's go back to my project. So this guy. Yeah, so I was saying I wanna this is gonna be like this. That's the only thing I don't like with CSGs. Struggle to select the ones I want. I could just could drag this one up and then cut out another. Grab this guy, hit him. Drag him up top. Alright. So I'm gonna make a quick elevator here. Let me go to this section. Add box again. Elevator. So what I like to do is I could call this, could make a path for this location. Need it to be like, should I make a section called interactables or something like that? Alright, interactive. Come on, I don't know. I need a destination. Alright, port or actually the origin is wherever I started from, right? So let's just say var origin equals vector3, and then export var destination equals vector3, not vector3, sorry, marker 3D. Set it to null. Oh, what's the game you're working on again? Then func ready. Set the origin to be wherever it is. Equals position. Right. Then func gonna have a activate, and then I could say var current. This is gonna be an enum. So 0 for its if it's at its destination, and 1 if it's at its target. So should make this an enum, an actual enum. Port enum. Origin. No. Don't need to export it, but it's better to remember. And this I'll have to change eventually, so I'm gonna use a what do you call it? Tween. And create tween. Then I say tween. Oh right, so I need to match here actually. Current position. If it's at 0, I want it to tween to 1 destination. So got in property. And then target final value. Oh, I need to do another thing too. Whenever I start it, I want it to not be able to stop. Final value is destination dot position. The time, I'll just put time. Create that. Var. This might be a problem here. I should use a actual I shouldn't use a tween here now I'm thinking about it. But that now I need to actually know where it is. There's a move to position, right? I think there is, but I don't remember. Alright, let's just do this for now and see how it looks. Let's copy this. Here and then origin. Just origin. Alright. Then when it's done now, where could I put it? Could call it here. We're gonna see tw.callback. Defunct. Where is it? What did I call it again? Current position equals to 1. Copy this. 0 here. There's another thing I want to do too. I need a boolean, so var can interact. True for now. I guess I should Make this a function instead. Think switch this. Right, and the current position. Oh, hold on. Position destination. Oops. Right, so I could change a can interact true here. Whenever I call activate, I set it to false. Go. Save. Then alright, change this now to be which and what did I want? I want it to be 1. Oh no, 0. This one is which but and 1. Okay, so I want it to tween to the position that it's going. Then when it reaches that, it calls this function. So there's a few ways I could do this. Could have a interacting area, like a switch. That really quick. Add area. So that looks. Where's this guy at? So. So. Could just attach an area to it. Call it a day. No, anyway. I keep thinking I'm in Blender for some reason. I'm trying to enter with the weird key. Alright, let's call this guaranteed to that guy. Is it anyway? The collision that guy. Let's move it back a bit. Actually. Alright. So. Oh, I should just make this an elevator component. Direct air. this does, grab this guy, unbody enter. Don't self. Body is there. Oh. And I want to say, no. Interactive. Interacted it. Right. So this only works with whatever implements the interacted. So now go back on the elevator. The let's see. Where that is. I could just grab it actually. Fine. Quick. Just call activate here. Yes. I'm probably gonna have to redo this. I mean, I don't have to, but as long as it has an elevator, I guess. Another thing to do here. I'm trying to think. All right, the marker. Let's go to tree view. Let's go to elevators, add child, marker 2D, 3D. Could drag this up. Probably should get its global position. So if I parent it, doesn't matter. Right about there. Yeah, in the elevator, I want to get its global position. Right here. Nation. Global. Right. That break. Let's see if that works. Hey. Oh. Guys. Double check. The player is actually player, so I'm not sure what it is. So maybe it's might as well equals. Oh, I'm in the floor. Come on. What kind of errors am I? Let's see. That has nothing to do with me. Alright, let's print if the player actually interacting. Buddy. I need to get rid of this full screen for now, temporarily. History combiner. Oh, maybe the player is on a weird layer. God dang it. That's so annoying. Yep, layer 2. That sucks. Alright, let's start over. So, we'll just do all layers. Whatever it is. Yeah, only yeah, it did work. Is right one. Whoops. Oh, shoot. Didn't put it in. Just added it. Alright. See if this works now. I need to fix it. Oh. A bit high up, but now I need another button to call it back up. Or something like that. So dark. Alright, let me just create a boring environment real quick. Oh, right. I forgot I could just do it from this window. Just drop this down. Button. Drop that. Alright, so this is a bit high up. Down a little bit. That looks about right. Alright. Still need to figure that out properly. You know what I could do? Let me show you a trick. So right here, could use a setup thing. Turn this into a tool. I could say export or set this. So one cool thing I could do now, set this to or false. Can't type false. And I could say set. Yeah. Instead of using a marker, I could just either actually I might use a marker still, it's better off. So I could actually see what I'm doing. If where is the marker? Destination. If I have a destination, I wanna set its destination to equal to destination.position to equal to the my position. That's a global position. Over engineering. Alright. That's about that. See? Oh, all I have to do now is let's remove this as a parent, as a child, I mean. And refresh this marker. Now all I have to do is move this to where it will be at the end of the travel. Here's a good spot. Yo. Looks. I could hit the set destination. But pretty sure that worked. Now I could put this back where it belongs. Risk. I found it better. About there. If and this. Oh. If I could get it back down. Oh, the collision is above it. I definitely need buttons like a normal elevator that can fly, so you know what's even better? I could actually set it and forget it. Maybe I delete the actual marker so the position doesn't change anymore. Because Fool's kind of a weird thing where it would reset this thing. I think I know why. Now I think about it. So what I'm saying is make this a destination marker. Then var oh wait, that's a problem. Or let's export it. It could save. So instead of the destination marker, you just destination. Close global position. If there's a marker, read that only. Okay, down here now, could just use the destination. Alright, I'm over engineering. I need to stop. Let's get rid of it. I need to stop. Undo all of this. Alright. Get back to... All I need to do actually is just remove this tool. Fix it. Alright, so to copy this guy. But cooler. Need a front wall. Oh, that actually come in handy because I need that piece for the doorway. Grab that. Over. The wall. And this up a bit. I could duplicate it. There. This piece up. And then what this open spot could be for. I'll just leave it blank. Doesn't have to be. Yep. And then the floor. This could be a windowed area. Look out. Oh, this could just be a recreational section. Something. So what I'm gonna do here is copy this. Just realized I didn't even need to do that. Copy it. Move it over. And this is gonna be the window. Alright, so for this guy, come on, duplicate this guy here. Here, gonna be another entrance. Gonna move this guy up. I'll delete this bit. Delete that. This guy over here. Copy or fine. Copy this. Hard to select stuff. Delete that. Good. Alright, let's make this a lot smaller now. So there. Goody. Thinking, where could I? The other recreational area. Trade hub. Oh, this is observation deck now. That section that I just had. right here. Probably put a piece wall too. Oh, could just do stuff on himself and all right. Then flip this to be a intersection. Oh, not intersection. Direction. All right. So this is gonna be the on there. Oh, let me test it. All right. So elevator. A bit bigger, but there's not supposed to be a drop here, so checking. A bit high up. Probably should make it bigger. This is just gonna be glass right here. You could look out. Right. This is all gonna be like tables, and I could partition off some parts of it. It's all like computer stuff and all. Alright, I'm gonna go back downstairs. And this elevator, I'm gonna make you have to activate it with a button. So not just walk and go. No way, ship's floating. Oops. Into that. That's not good. Alright, I'm gonna fix all these things. Alright, so gotta scale this guy down. That bit. Okay, so I need to bring him up. Probably should separate some of these and give them their own combiner. Combiner is struggling. Let me add another combiner. This one. Drag the combiner. Bit of material as well. Yeah. How it open. Oh, I think I should give that. That's so. Okay. Alright, now we're working with this combiner. Close this for now. Then duplicate this guy. Let me fix this. Okay, when that happens, fine. Too close. Alright. The roof. Grab this piece. Pretty good, brother. This guy here. Let's hide it. Help this. Duplicate him. Make a trial of himself. It's gonna be cut out for this hole. Alright, so I think I'm gonna have like the refinery over this side. Then maybe ship upgrades and stuff over here. And further back here would be like deep in the area or something like that. Could have some offices here. Let's see. Just make a simple combine with just a room, a box room. Let me do that. So combiner. Call this. Godot does not like using too much CSG. Material. This over side. And bottom. Alright. I'll scale all of these out. This. The one thing I'll never understand. Corners. When it comes to not much scale. I'm guessing one side has to be shorter. Or I probably should have a column. Oh. Then I could do. Couldn't form plane from brush face. You know what? Then let me check this compiler. Do I need to use it? Yep. Oh. Double checks here. Constructive solid geometry. Well, I could have just inverted it. I'm dumb. Okay. It restricted. This is if the player wants to like use a breakcast to interact. They're doing the same thing as so I could throw this on top of a button, for example. The player has his own ray, direct ray. Where is it? Where I call it F. Bam, bam. this is interesting. So I could just do, let's go back on the component. Could rename this to first name interact. So copy that on here. Say if, oh wait. If call is interact component, could just call interact. Simple. Could test that out. Let's go back to the prototype, and that prototype station. Could create a that for now. Unhide that. On the elevator, at the elevator, the add mesh or oh, I could actually use a physical button too, but ish. What am I trying to do? Missions. That as a box. And that this is the button. Here to it. Down. And box. Attach this to it now. Oh, I'm dumb. I could have just did this. Direct come and just drop this. So what this says, get on the elevator as well. I don't know why I always overthink stuff, because when I do this, right, it's not like I'm gonna delete it or something afterwards. Like it's just gonna be always there. I always overthink that. I don't know why. Like if I duplicate this now, I could move it up to the top level. A bit high though. Put it down. Duplicate. I wonder if it still would interact. I need to actually tell it to or the player to interact with players. Okay, which should, but yep, it's not. Oops, I should not have it on the as parented. Alright, let's undo. Okay. I could recall the elevator in time by pressing it again. Huh, what happens when I'm inside there? You don't know what's happened. But... One works. Perfect. Yeah. I'm guessing I need an inside button as well too. I could put it like over that side. Or on the elevator. Oh yeah, I could do that. Let's have it on the elevator itself. But this is gonna be a freight elevator, so you throw stuff on it. Alright. This shouldn't be possible by the way. I'd have to figure out how to fix that. Should set some kind of limit. A player has infinite inertia, I believe. Feeling. What does that even mean? Oh, right. Full wall maximum velocity. Where's that thing about inertia? Grounded. Plus, I need to have a build up too. I think I already do, but let me double check. Oh, no acceleration. That word exists already. It's ratio. Alright, so wherever I'm walking now, I'm using walk speed. Find velocity. Right. Duration time. Whatever its velocity was. I need this to be point something. Don't think, but let's start with 0.5. All these errors, common parent. I mean, it is working on the spec, but way too floaty. Let's put 10. Forgot it's a lerp. So. Yeah, that's a lot better. Oh, stop. Testing. I can fly, so I'm gonna add a door or like some chains or something that blocks off this area. So, since the elevator will always have that, I could emit a signal right here. Position 10 gates or something like that. But current position. Create that. Whenever it starts, I wanted to close the gates too, so signal close. Right. Where should I put? I could do here. Signal. But I'm so used to Godot 3. I really like that I could just type close gates and it. Current position. This one. Close gate, current position. But that is so delayed. Oh, I'm the one with the backwards. Right, so let's create some gates. Need some lights too, so maybe add 2 lights here and here. On this guy. Light. And light. Am I the one that doesn't like these lights in the... They just seem not that good in terms of much they're lighting up the place. Oh, and I know my frame rate just 25% just adding those 2 lights. So here. Oh, because I did. I made that apparent to that. Add a node and call it lights. Be cool if we could actually do that. Never type the name of a new node. That could be a feature. Wait, this is way too wide. The heck? Oh, I don't have collisions on that section. Where is it? Okay. That's not. Oh, it is. Use collisions. I'm gonna go for something more modern. So I'm gonna make these glass areas huge. It's all just glass anyways. Let's scale that. It's a lot bigger. There. For this one. That's gonna be a nice pan of glass. How long have I been on now? Take 1 hour or 7. Alright. Okay, that's good. What else I need to make? Doors. All the open doors. Pretty sure I did it before, so let me double check. Wow. The reason I want this is for ship doors. Okay, let's go ahead and delete that. Gonna make that right now. So, or the code. This guy. Not that. Not a trail of it. Ah, I lost it. Call it door for now. Ooh. Know those double door things? Cool. That, then I could move it up to it quickly. This door. Then where's left, whichever is right. Could make this a door. Oh, interact comes in handy. The collision shape tool. And the timer as well. Name this. So this one is gonna be L R. So what this enter component? I need to have an exit on it too. Interactor. Alright, let's see if I can work with all that. Door now. Rec. Slide in. Port. Then hey Abu. Linux. Linux. How you doing by the way? Alright, set a timer to maybe 4 seconds. Or no. Here. I'm working on prototyping my levels. Okay, what I have so far. So this is a door I'm working on. You know those slide open type doors. So I need to say func activate. Oops, and what I want to do is create a tween again. So var w will create and the actually before I even do that, a var if left equals null or right equals null. No doors. Alright, and then turn. Alright, so TW main property. I want to set it to parallel as well. Or parallel. Then so when I said parallel, means I'm gonna call it left and right to do the same thing at the same time. I want to say position. Oh, that's gonna be it here. I don't know what position it is. Alright, I could figure that out based on local position. Let's see where this door is. Yeah, this is on Y for some reason. Or X. X. Oh, that's gonna be an issue, but At least no one knows it's on Z, so let's go with Z for now. I want the left to open up more, so left dot. Alright, let's actually get a copy of its actual position first. So 4. Equal plus 30. What did I call it? Open offset. I'm not sure if it's plus or minus. It's minus. We'll figure that out the hard way. Copy this. Oh, the F mean final position. Right. Plus. And left. Give it 1 second. Right. Did I call it fight? Right position. Okay. Now I need the interact component is already there, so this parent this interacted door. When it's interacting, I'm gonna say activate. And I need a boolean that says can interact. So once it's open, you can't interact until it's closed. So I want to set a delay here. So tw tween or set delay, I mean. Oh, I think I have to create it first. So I need to copy their original positions. Dang it. All right. For could get away with just using the animation player, but me, I bother. Need to make sure these are actually just copy this guy there. But not equal null. Alright, left and right. Okay, so tween. Copy it back again. Trees. I want it to be like chain right here. Chain. Interesting. Alright, let's see what happens. No. What? Let's see. Then w dot callback. And interact. So whenever you activate it, you can't interact with it until the process is complete. Okay, let's move the player up to that door. All right, gonna be enough. Area is not colliding with the player. Don't know why I did that, but oh, right. Probably printing out something bad. Like the doors aren't connected yet. On the door. F L R. So what's wrong? Let's print if the player interacts with it. Right. How much time I say I'm gonna get rid of this thing? The big full screen interaction. I'm gonna fix that now. It's gonna drive me crazy. Guys, too big. That. No interaction. Above. Oh, what I'm doing wrong here? Not using that timer for anything. Awesome. Oh. Direct comp. Oh, the button. Not emitting for some reason. This. It is interacting. Honest. There. Oh. All right. Not interacting with here. I wonder why. Delete. Hmm. Doesn't even get. So that means it's working. Or just parallel. What happened? Not even saying the player enters it. That means it's a collision. This isn't. This. Go to interact. Oh. The layer it is on. Sure, though. If that does anything. Yeah. I wanted to do this. Mm-hmm. What I'm wondering is does it work with all the other ones? The elevator and everything else. Let me try something. Check out the elevator. Call it up. That's fine. This is. What the heck? Maybe I put it on the wrong thing. Wait a minute. Double check. Still have it on the door itself. Oh, cool. Never mind. All why is this yellow? Oh, or green. I mean, wrong here. Freaking. Hell. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna jump off now because crazy here. Circumtracted. Problem here? Oh well. Alright guys, see you in a bit. Good night.